Part D. In hydraulic machines, pressure is transmitted by a liquid. In the diagram below, a force on a small piston, so there's a force on the small piston, it causes a pressure, and I'm going to write it beside it, of 5 kilonewtons per centimetre squared. Now, notice there that's in black. It might be that obvious to you, but it should be on the sheet where you did your questions. 5 kilonewtons, they're just warning you, watch out here, there's something you have to change. So the pressure here is actually 5. Kilo is 1,000, so 5,000 newtons per centimetre squared. And there's no reason why you couldn't write that onto your exam, just to, remind yourself what you have to do here. So it says the area of the large piston is 7 centimetres squared, and I'm just going to write it down here. Calculate the size of the force acting on the large piston. Now, the whole idea of hydraulic machines is that the liquid here is incompressible and it transmits the same amount of pressure throughout it. And so if the pressure here is 5,000 newtons per centimetre squared, then the pressure here is also 5,000 newtons per centimetre squared. So if we write down our equation, pressure is force over area, we're looking for force. So force is equal to pressure times area. The pressure is 5,000 and the area is 7. And that gives you 35,000, and it's in newtons. You maybe can't see that. There is a space for a unit, so there's no unit mark in this question. So to get the marks, 35,000 is 1 mark. To convert 5 kilonewtons into 5 kilonewtons per centimetre squared into newtons per centimetre squared, you get 2 marks. Multiply by 7 is another mark, and you actually get 2 marks for having rearranged your equation. Now again, you'll get your 35,000 marks, you'll get your 6 marks for your 35,000 newtons answer with no other working out. But it's a very big risk to take in case you get that wrong. In this style of question here, they will only deduct 1 mark if you haven't done something like changed your kilonewtons. So they call that a 10 to the power of n error. And you only lose 1 mark for doing that. So that's not too bad. Even if you didn't get the kilonewtons per centimetre squared changed, you'd only have lost 1 mark, so you'd have still 5 out of 6.